Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here for sale this beautifully maintained 3 bedrooms, 2 bathroom house located in the much sought after 24-hour coastal gated community of Oceanpointe in Hanover, Jamaica. Here, you are centrally located halfway between Montego Bay and Negril. You are also only approximately 40 minutes from the Sangsters International Airport and 30 minutes from the resort town of Negril. This house is located on a 5,853 square foot lot, and there is a lot of room for expansion or for entertaining family and friends with barbecues. This amazing home comes with air conditioning units in all 3 bedrooms and another AC in the open concept living, dining, and kitchen. There are tray ceilings with recessed lighting, ceiling fans, and a stone paved driveway that can hold 2 vehicles. The community amenities include 2 swimming pools, basketball and tennis courts, football field, jogging trail, gym clubhouse, and a kiddies play area. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US $335,000 or Jamaican $51.5 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.